Hello, my name is Carla Davenport, and I am doing this video because I recommend highly what Michael and Sinclair have to offer in their root cause practitioner mentorship. I was getting great benefits with what I did know from years of acupuncture, nutrition, colon hydrotherapy, and I would get clients to a certain level of healing, but then we would plateau. After participating in the root cause practitioner mentorship, it was really eye-opening how I could really pinpoint more exactly what was the root cause. I can't recommend the root cause practitioner mentorship highly enough. It has completely changed the way that I see clients, that I treat clients, and how my practice runs. My name is Carla Davenport, and I'm from Lawrence, Kansas. Before the root cause practitioner mentorship, my practice was not where I wanted it to be. I had inherited a small town practice where I was just treating hourly. I wanted to get more into treating root causes more directly, and since root cause practitioner mentorship, that has been a really amazing journey to actually see not only results, but continued results, where before I was just plateauing with my client. What made me want to learn from Michael and Sinclair was just my own results and my own experience from taking Rapid Energy Reset, Rapid Liver Reset, and Rapid Gut Reset. Where I thought I didn't really have anything else to improve upon, I was amazed at the significant changes and advanced healing that I experienced. And I wanted to bring that to my clients. I did have a sort of lifelong battle with eczema. It was worse in childhood, but as I was entering perimenopause, it started flaring up more. And I just thought, it's nothing more that can be done. It's just something inherent I have to sort of live with and maintain. I didn't really know or understand all of the root cause links that actually eczema is an expression of. And because of that, I wanted to learn everything else I could learn, as many new tools possible, and Michael and Sinclair certainly did deliver on that. Learning this has flipped my practice onto its head. It has completely changed it. I do not practice the same at all anymore. In fact, it was a rough transition because I was so frustrated with how things were and so excited but overwhelmed with the possibility of how it could be. Michael and Sinclair have really helped to guide us within the mentorship on how to implement these things, and it's just completely different. All I can say is your practice will never be the same after this. You will not see clients the same. You will see them more whole. Michael and Sinclair, the two of you have changed my life so significantly. I feel like for my whole life, and I'm going on 50 years old next week, I have been looking for mentors who not only had a wealth of knowledge to offer me and bring to me, but who really believed in me and my potential. And after years, if not decades of searching, I finally found that in the two of you.